Here we have our Simba. And Simba's 2 years old and he weighs 14 pounds. And he looks like a little border terrier. He is super busy, super smart, super happy. Yes, his tail wags. He loves everybody. He's pretty much a Walmart breeder, as you can see. He would do great probably with another active dog, an active family that wants to get out and hike and run and play and teach him tricks, because that's the kind of boy he is. He says he's super energetic and loves everyone. He's just so happy. He especially loves his treats. Where are your treats? Look, look. Watch him. You want your treat? Oh, yes, he says, I'll do anything for a hot dog. Look at that cute face. He is just an overall happy dog. He was owner surrendered through no fault of his own. I have no idea exactly what happened down on the border of Mexico. And their loss is going to be our gain and someone else's gain for sure. Look at that tail. That tail. He's got a typical happy terrier personality. He's got the brightest smile ever. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. And he says, and let me see that hot dog lady. Really, you could teach him just about anything with a hot dog. This is how smart he is. Look at him. Watch him. That hot dog? Say, where's the hot dog? You want this hot dog? Good boy. I bet I could teach him to sit in 5 seconds. But I can't let him get down here. I don't want him touching the floor. No, but he's perfect. You good boy? So this is Simba. He's 2 years old, 14 pounds, and available through Tracy's Paws Rescue. And he's an absolute happy dog. Yes, I am. I'm ready for my home, too. And I want this big bow off of me. Say bye, Simba. Say adopt me.